Welcome back to Future Fuel. Today we dive into the highly anticipated revival of a true automotive legend, the 2026 Toyota MR2. A car that defined mid-engine performance and affordable sports car thrills is back, and it's better than ever. Let's explore what makes this new MR2 a game-changer in the modern sports car landscape. The Toyota MR2 has always held a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts. Born in the 1980s as an affordable, lightweight, mid-engine sports car, it quickly gained a reputation for razor-sharp handling and pure driving excitement. Over its 3 generations, the MR2 evolved into a sports car icon. But after its discontinuation in the early 2000s, fans have been clamoring for its return. Now in 2026, Toyota has answered that call. Under the hood, or rather behind the seats, of the 2026 MR2 lies a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain. Toyota has blended its expertise in hybrid technology with its passion for performance to create something truly exceptional. A turbocharged 2.67-meter inline-4 engine pairs with an electric motor to deliver a combined 345 horsepower. This setup ensures blistering acceleration, with a 0 to 60 time of just 4.2 seconds, while still maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Balls without control, the new MR2 stays true to its roots, with a mid-engine layout, near-perfect weight distribution, and a lightweight chassis. Toyota has utilized advanced materials like carbon fiber reinforced polymer to keep the curb weight under 2,900 pounds. Add in a finely tuned suspension system and precise steering, and the result is a car that feels alive in your hands, whether you're carving through mountain roads or taking on track days. The exterior design of the 2026 MR2 is a stunning blend of retro inspiration and modern aerodynamics. It proudly pays homage to its predecessors with a low-slung profile, sharp lines, and a wedge-like shape. At the same time, it incorporates futuristic elements like sleek LED lighting, active aero components, and bold air intakes. This is a car that turns heads whether it's parked or in motion. Inside the cabin, Toyota has created a driver-focused environment that emphasizes simplicity and connection. The low seating position and compact steering wheel immediately immerse you in the driving experience. High-quality materials like Alcantara and brushed aluminium give the interior a premium feel, while modern tech features like a digital instrument cluster and an intuitive infotainment system ensure the MR2 is as practical as it is thrilling. Safety and innovation are also key elements of the new MR2. Toyota's latest suite of advanced driver assistance systems comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. While this is a car designed for pure driving pleasure, it doesn't compromise on safety or everyday usability. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 MR2 is its price point. Toyota has managed to deliver all this performance and technology at a starting price of just $60,000. This makes the MR2 one of the most accessible mid-engine sports cars on the market, bringing the dream of owning a high-performance vehicle closer to reality for many enthusiasts. Toyota has also hinted at future variants, including a track-focused GR version and possibly even a fully electric model. These additions promise to expand the MR2 lineup and keep it at the forefront of innovation in the sports car segment. The return of the Toyota MR2 isn't just about reviving a nameplate, it's about reigniting a passion for driving. In an era where performance cars are often overshadowed by SUVs and EVs, the MR2 reminds us why we fell in love with sports cars in the first place. Whether you're a long-time MR2 fan or a newcomer to the scene, the 2026 Toyota MR2 is sure to capture your heart. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modernity, offering driving thrills, cutting-edge technology, and stunning design in one irresistible package. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2026 Toyota MR2. What do you think of this legendary car's return? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Future Fuel for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, keep the passion for driving alive.